It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Shanice, aka Couture Shanz. If you're new here, I'm Shanice, as I just said, and I focus on lifestyle, fashion, sewing, you know, all of that fun stuff. If you're returning subby, welcome back. How have you been? I hope you guys have been catching up with the vids on my channel, because your girl has been posting every Sunday at 5 p.m. sharp. Okay, so let's set a little dates for like Sunday, you know, or you go to Sunday brunch or well 5 o'clock at dinner time. So let's set a little Sunday dinner date, and I'll catch you guys over here at 5 o'clock every Sunday. I try putting these earrings, but with these nails I feel like handicapped. So guys, welcome back to the channel. I started filming yesterday. As you can hear, I'm not feeling so well. Started filming yesterday, but I didn't do an official intro for the channel. So I said, okay, let's hop on, do that official intro right now, you know, just to kick things off. And currently it is Friday, so it's going to be an eventful weekend. It has already started, and trust me, I'm already tired. Like, my voice is gone, I'm feeling a bit fluish. I have been feeling this way for like the past couple of days, so pray for me y'all, because my immune system can't manage them somewhere. So yeah, it's Friday and I am running on the road for a quick little shopping spree or prep, because I have a wedding coming up. But I think I have most of what I need, but yeah, I think I have most of what I need, but there's some like small stuff that I still need to like get done today. So that's the pre for today, right? So I'm going down the road shortly. Definitely gonna take you guys along with me. Like, always do that. Like, y'all look at Paris, so why wouldn't I? As you can see, my hair is in a little messy bun and a little front leave out. Like, not even at the edges, but I don't know. Like, that's how I'm feeling right now, right? And as I say, I don't know, it's I'm just gonna run up on the road, grab some stuff, do a few things. I think I have to take the boys to the barber, so I'm going to pick them up from school, take them to the barber, come back home, call it a day. But last night was an eventful night, as I mentioned. We went to hey, not right. As I was saying, last night was an eventful night. We went to a bridal shower. Well, it was more of a bridal dinner, like kind of vibe. Yeah, just something intimate with the bride. We played a couple games and stuff, but let me not chat too much. Let me just show you the clips. So I'm going to do a little throwback to yesterday, and you guys can see how the bridal shower went, and then we'll jump back into today's festivities. Okay, so yeah, before you pre that, leave a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so we're at Main Gardens in Trees, basically Village Plaza, I think, and we're just here for a quick little bridal dinner. Yeah, that's what it is. So we just took some pics. I don't really feel in the pic mood tonight, but we'll see. Okay, so yeah, let's go.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around. I want you
Oh, see that, you know? It did me.
These are some party things. How cute.
Already put in the first order, but then we're waiting to see what you
Don't even answer them, miss.
But they have not looked by you. You put Vaseline on your what? On your teeth.
Where to be?
So you look like you're always smiling.
No, that's for Chinese.
Alright,
I have
so
one already. Oh, it's a new one. Listen to the beat now, guys.
yeah.
beef with broccoli, beef with pineapple, beef with ham choy. I love
We're listening, we're listening.
anything beef. I like beef
You
in
don't like
satay
beef.
sauce, beef in oyster sauce, beef
Anyway,
in
back to the
Nothing to
lashes.
add already.
beef in curry,
Jesus.
beef in
Put on the
curry,
nails, where you look
Yeah,
for?
wipe off a little. Concealer.
in curry.
We're listening.
I'm a chicken. Are you guys?
I thought we ordered. Unless we ordered already.
Something else. Beef in
I'm not gonna lie, this looks really, really good. It's pork ribs with garlic, well, barbecue pork. This looks nice. Look at this one, Cherry. Barbecue pork. No, 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 yeah. Looks delish. Tired of sweet and sour chicken now, man. Sweet and sour pork.
Alright, so go for the big plates and come back.
I love when just carry all of the food comes.
Double fried rice. Right, so I'm coming back with some more.
Okay, thank you.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. Can't get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. I feel like you.
But yeah, y'all, that's my
So,
friend. Since like first, second form. Oh, I don't know.
Just keep it straight.
Point it away from any of those.
Just shake it and point it up.
Come, Janelle. Janelle, no, Janelle. Janelle.
So I should shake it?
June, you notice my back up?
Yeah, don't hold it over your foot.
So hold it like to the side?
Okay.
Okay.
Take time, start it up.
Oh, I should start it?
Try not to show. I feel like you wish you were. You don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Shanice, love the vlog, yes? Love the vlog. I wonder if we have an intervention all about one. I'm like,
Cheers. Cheers.
concerned.
We got free on the YouTube video.
I'm not gonna leave the vlogs alone.
Okay, this is from Shanice, wishing you a happy and prosperous marriage.
Yes.
I want you around. I want you
So guys, we're done with dinner. It was so much fun. So much fun. It's a bit late and I have to get home to the boys. Wait, is this our bathroom?
Yes.
But I only see a man from the door, but I understand. But in here, so look, so look at it. This is what I was talking about. Look over there and then come look over here. This is cute. That's what I'm saying. Come over here, Janelle.
I've been in the bathroom already.
Over this one look fancy.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I didn't have a toy.
First, if you want to. I'm having a girdle. I got too much clothes. Yeah, it was a lovely, lovely night. The food was amazing. Like, I give the food 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Like, that was like the best part of the night. And thank you again for treating us. Can you say hi to the vlog?
Anything for the fam.
Yes.
And the
bride's fam.
wedding designer.
Yeah. was a lovely evening though. So I'll see you Saturday. 12:30.
We'll keep in contact.
But the manager is tonight. So it's about 10 o'clock. It's time to go home. We're going home.
Sound like our Zoom.
Let me run past all of these heels people in the car. All my children, all my children. Always proud to be. Yeah, look at liquor. Yeah, I want to look at such a I'm gonna drink it tonight or tomorrow night to get rid of the nerves. They said there are no nerves.
There are no nerves.
Must be nice.
Maybe when I get dressed, I'm gonna have to
Actually walk down the
walk down the
aisle.
aisle and be like, oh my god, am I really doing this?
Next thing I have a runaway bride and somebody come out and say, I'm sorry to say that the bride is missing. What that thing? I'll be like, but can we still get the food though? Can we still get the food?
Well, it's already done this.
Might as well.
And they have to Rudolph fast.
Can't manage. Don't do that to the poor you. Please and thanks.
Oh. Mommy, I'm not bad.
Alright, so we lock out. So guys, that's it for the night, and I'll catch you tomorrow maybe. We'll see. Guys, can you believe I'm back in Payless? So I'm gonna come Payless the other day, the big shopping. Forgot I needed another shoe, so here I am back again. And the size debacle continues because there's always a sizing issue. It's never ever available. So I'm here browsing, so I can't find. And then I shall be on my way. So yeah. So a quick little outfit of the day. Don't mind these boobies. I'm just in this burnt orange top, some shorts, and the Crocs. My favorite Crocs. So guess where I'm at? Back again at the pharmacy. This is what happens when you have sick kids. Your house becomes a pharmacy. So I got them some BPH for their cough, and his Scottish as well, and some nose drops. I'm gonna try those and see how it works. So yeah, this is my life, right? This is my life. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, where's your brother? I'm coming. You remember the tickets for me? They're in his bag. The tickets in his bag. What? Jump your way here to come then. Come. Hold your brother's hand. Hold his hand, Jump.
Hey, you know the driver, Mommy.
Yeah, I drove this car. Get in. Say hello. All the way over. School today.
Friend.
Fun job at whole school.
And I told her to go, and I didn't eat all my pork, and I
Cover that more.
I ready to eat it. I want, but you don't want me to drink my juice.
Alright, thank you.
And
Sit
look
back.
at this.
Alright, thanks.
I can buy it for you.
Goodbye from me. Oh, my pumpkin bought me candy. Thank you, baby. The boys, let's say hi. And we're going to the barber because you guys need a little trim. Tomorrow is the wedding and there'll be ring bearer and ring bearer too. So they'll be participating. So you can go to the barber in your school clothes. Nothing wrong with that. And the barber is right up the road, so calm your nerves. We're going to the barber. I got your patties. That's literally their reaction to patty. Them love patties until them full. So yeah, I'm gonna eat from my leave out this morning. So I bought a patty for myself, a patty for the boys. I got donuts. Kind of notice these donuts always slap. Yo, I love food, but I don't think I love food. So, and I also got orange juice. So we're gonna eat that when we reach the barber, or I don't know, depending on what we do. I'll probably let them eat first and then get them a haircut. But yeah, that's it for today. That's the pre. I'm gonna show y'all the before and after. Let's see the before. Even though them literally trimmed last week, but them hair grow so fast. So I'm gonna let them fade down the sides, alright, Bugsy? And probably keep looking length up here. So this is the before.
Get my phone! I'm going to break it.
You never eat. You never eat your breakfast this morning.
But and I want to eat my wine, but they sent me to drink my juice.
Jamie, I'm not getting a nice sweet to buy for me, and you over there eat it up. Can you like hold it? Hold it up higher. Higher. Thank you. Alright guys, so that's the proof.
Yummy, very sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet and it's really sour. I like it. I'm good. These lashes are lashing. Let me talk about it. These are actually strip lashes. Yeah, I'm a strip lash kind of girl. Like, if I'm being honest, I'm a strip lash type of girl. Like, I did fusion before. I think I did it like twice. And while I liked it, let's not get it twisted, I like it, but I just like, you know, having that freedom to like come home at the end of the day and just go so zoop and take them out. Like, I can't do nothing for my eye. Like, guys, make your both sides. I was around my eye, I was around my nose, and them something that sick girl life don't coincide with hot girl life. So I just leave no confusion to the real hot girl them. Leave nails and them something to the real hot girl, because I ain't, right? So this is only a every now and again kind of thing. So on special occasions you'll see me like get a little fix up, but guys, don't come over here expecting a girl to be cute all the time. And it's not going to happen. I swear to you. 95% of the time I look busted, right? I'm only supposed to know this. I'm never ever come on camera looking busted and beat down. Like, it's just who I am. Like, I'm just that girl, or not. But either way, yeah, let me stop and look around. But yeah, just a little side note, this is not a hot girl channel. This is a realistic, but it can be a hot girl and still be realistic. Because if a real hot girl then, yeah, but Jamie, you can't choke my man. But this is just the channel of a simple girl, a simple mom, simple entrepreneur, just navigating this thing called life with the loves of my life. Okay? You're a snake? And his little face, so cute. No, Mr. Snake, don't bite me. Very so cute if you mess up his card. Try to find that and take it up. Wait there. Where is it? Gone. I'll try to find it. So guys, I'll catch you after the barbershop. Peace. Say peace, boys. Peace. I never said cheese. Alright guys.
The next day.
How do I avoid the afro? That's your millimeter. You look alright from up top now, I still so. Hi guys, so it's the next day and we are out and about. The AC, feel the AC. We can bag so fix it. So hey guys, it is Saturday and we're on the road. We're heading to a wedding. Boys are knocked out, like literally them just fell asleep, and we're like 15 minutes out. They're participating in the wedding, by the way, so they're ring bearers. So I don't know how that's going to them, but they're running about knockout. So they're a little sesame on the face, a little top bun, and I love this. It's giving. This little bang is giving. So I feel all cute. Still feel sick, as I can hear, I'm still stuffy. So yeah, but that's a pre for today. We're rocking blue. So the theme is blue. But I have him jacket over there. The boys are in blue, so yeah. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today. And basically I'll just share, you know, the days shenanigans, as I always say. But it's really not shenanigans, you know. It's just regular thing. Cause shenanigans usually suggest that you know you're up to something like sneakish. But either way, guys, just a check in from now, just in case I don't get to do that, and just give you guys a quick little, you know, updates basically. So yeah, that's the pre. What else? That's about it. Feeling myself today, as always. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in a few. Cause girls is players too. What you laughing? You get joke? You get joke right there, miss? Okay, make sure. She trying to hate on my YouTube game, but secretly she want to be a YouTuber too. So let's see how that goes. Don't it, Jen? Yeah. Okay, I'm glad you admit. So guys, I'll catch you in a few. Because girls is players too. No. That's right. You don't gas no money, bro. Yeah, some of them don't listen. Go and throw them all up. Throw them. You want to help, Javi?
Throw them. Go ahead.
Help and throw them all in the middle. Good job. In the middle, Javi. In the middle. In the middle. Good job. Jamir, come here. So we're here. The boys are throwing roses in the aisle. All done. Good job. Jamir, come here. So this is where you're gonna walk. Look at mommy. You're gonna walk all the way up there, okay? Walk, let me see. Show me how you're gonna walk. Good job. And hold the sign. Good boy. And then Jamir, you're gonna walk too. Go. Walk, let me see. Good job. Walk, walk, walk. Good job.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should have held on tight, I never should have let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself.
And drop it in, Boozy. You have to drop it just for the top here.
Just right, Vonnie.
Hold on,
Just right, Vonnie. Just right, Vonnie.
Drop it in, Boozy.
Giovanni really put Giovanni Reese Roman
Drop it in. Good job.
Is that not who I am?
Is that cute idea? You signed yours already?
Mommy, another one.
No more.
I had too much more and everybody that gave me OD.
Somebody gave you all of these hearts?
Yeah, because it wasn't a people.
Okay.
Someone else phone too.
How sharp are they?
Mommy,
Sentimental man and woman.
So, Javi, what's wrong? You okay? Come say hi. Hi. At this little cutie patootie. You like your outfit? Yeah. So we're here. It's a bit hot though. Wish we're inside with some AC cars. The heat ain't no joke. But, cover your mouth. The groom has arrived and we're just here waiting. So we got the shop boss over there.
I do, yeah.
Where's the sneakers? Yeah, where's the sneakers? The groom is here as well. And Joel is here as well.
He's getting married. Why you just
So now we're waiting on the bride too. Rudolph, where's the bride?
You still don't have any teeth?
Where's the bride?
Let me see. Say cheese.
The bride in our feelings.
Are you crazy? That's your fault.
For me, but the bride in our feelings. So.
You know, today was the one day. You want to say hi, Marvin? Say cheese. You
She's not driving her, she don't want me driver. So I'm
but you can't drive her. You can't see her.
No, say cheese.
So we're waiting on the bride. When the bride gets here, I'll get back to you.
I'm a driver.
It's not Asia.
Smile, Luxie. Jamie, share the petals with him. So you can throw it. You have to throw it on Auntie Janelle. Okay? See her there, go and throw it on her. Jamie, your wheel, no books, you're gonna get some. Go and throw it on Auntie Janelle. Go on. Good job.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself.
Hey, come here. No fighting. And they're
Oh, what country the music? You can turn it down, yeah?
who's the selector? The selector over here take pics.
and I will not be changing the music.
is way up there.
He's using the bathroom.
The 500.
He has a weak brother. Leave my son. He's in the bathroom. Jim can't use the bathroom, so put him in. It's in the cuts. Look at Ray Charles around there. The bride is over here. Just we like it. You don't take off the veil? You want to take off the veil? You're not put it out. You're not going. I'm just here chilling. I'm drinking some. What am I drinking? Moscato. Can you pass some Moscato? No, it's not Moscato. It's Moscato. That was I don't remember what it means. Some red wine too. That's how the people come to. Stop now, you saw me drinking that, Maurice? Welcome. What's the worst that could happen? What?
Shanice.
Then that's your one. That's what you want.
Yeah.
But I'm having a liquor.
You work with the name,
No, I have not.
You work with the name?
No, I have not.
I've been minding the budget. Show the J and then
What happened? Something wrong with it because I'm under liquor or something. That's a problem. No problem. Obviously, it's liquor.
Christoph said he's still younger.
Wow. Oh, Asia was up there with them.
Hey.
Cheers.
Wait, let me print them. Look for them. Look for them. Look like this.
Such a good time. Exactly. He was blue. Here in a pink.
Let me tell you, I was of the impression that when the wedding is in a particular color, I was deliberately trying.
So she literally said, where something. But yeah, it's a vibe. Look on the bump here. No, sir. All along me there, the bump never there. It just grew. No, it just come up this morning on the day of the wedding. Oh, unfortunate. That was the end of it. That was the last of it. That could there was something inside of you. Something I thought that I would never find. Angel. You know, like nothing else but the proceedings of the day, miss? You like nothing else. You never like the vows. Huh? You never like the vows. I never hear the vows. What's up? Can't be bothered. I truly did the girl about.
When you put it that way, look at all of my bad friend.
Yes, you are.
Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know.
Perfect age where I'm at the perfect age.
Now look at me.
I got my cake before you.
No, we're
You were
at the same
tending to
time.
your children.
No, it's at the same time.
I'm at the perfect age where I get kid stuff and adult stuff.
So
Mommy, we didn't
that's
get no
it
money.
for.
Mommy, we didn't get no money.
Didn't get no money. I didn't tell Rachel I won't get money. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here, guys. It was a eventful day. It was just a lovely, you know, minimalistic wedding, and it was just so cute. The bride and groom, they're just too cute. Bare things them go around, you see. Bare things that I would not go on with in front of people, but I loved it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like down below, like smash the like button, leave a comment as well. Did I give you guys like an outfit? I don't even know. Either way, leave a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay. Peace. Say bye, Javi.
Bye.